Hi, I'm going to teach you how to use Heygen. Here are the features that Heygen offer: custom avatar, video translate, voice cloning, photo avatar, text to speech, AI avatar, templates, and also Zapier. Now we're going to start to create our video. So here is the dashboard of Heygen after you manage to create your account and then you logged in into your Heygen account. You're going to see there are a lot of templates that you can choose, and also you're going to see that you have 1 credit if you're using the free account. And what it means that 1 credit equals to 1 minute video. It says that video duration is rounded up to 30 seconds and credits will reset in the beginning of each billing cycle. So let's say if you're using the free plan, you wanted to create your AI video, you can only create a video 1 minute, the longest. But if the video that you create is only less than 30 seconds, that's it only going to be count as 0.5 credit. So you can create either one 1 minute video or two 30 seconds video. And over here you can see that they already have several templates with several AI avatar. You can choose the avatar from these templates to create your own video, but also notice that if you see there is a diamond sign on the left bottom of the avatar, it means that it can only be used by premium users. If you're using it with your free account, then you cannot be able to use that avatar. You can also create your own avatar with your own face, and here is how to do it. You can click the free instant avatar button and then it's going to allocate you to this tutorial page on how to create your own instant avatar. First of all, they're going to ask you whether you prefer the instruction on how to create an instant avatar by video or by text. And for tutorial sakes, I'm going to use the text instruction, so it's going to be easier for me to explain it to you. As you can see here, there are recommended things that you should do in order to create those video, and also there are things that you need to avoid. On the recommended side, you see that it says that you need to submit on at least 2 minutes of footage, you need to use high resolution camera, you need to also record your video in a well-lit and quiet environment, you have to look directly into the camera, you need to pause between each sentences with your mouth closed, and you need to also only use generic gestures and keep your hands below your chest. Here are the examples of generic gestures. So generic gestures means that you cannot use too much hand movement, you cannot move your hands covering your chest a little bit too much, or you cannot move your hands to cover your face. Either way, the AI will not read your video as good as if you're only using limited gestures. Now let's take a look at the things that we need to avoid in order to create a good AI avatar. First of all, we need to avoid stitches or cuts on footage. So those 2 minutes video needs to be straightforward, no cuts, no edit for the AI to be able to read it well. And the second thing is we need to talk with pauses. If we talk too fast and without pauses, it's going to be hard for the AI to read it. And then we also need to avoid to change positions while recording. We need to make sure that there is only one camera angle and we don't move too much. And then we also need to make sure that there are no loud background noises, because if we ever want to create another video with that AI avatar, the background noises are going to get in the way. We also need to make sure that there are no shadows or overexposure on our face. We shouldn't also divert our gaze or looking around. Again, the hand gestures needs to be below the chest, and we need to avoid using pointing gestures such as the one that are shown on the pictures above. And if you don't know what to say on the 2 minutes video, it says here that we need to feel free to talk about any topics in the language of our choice. Just relax and then the website's going to take care of the rest. It also says that for optimal and most realistic result, 2 minutes long recorded video with high resolutions camera or smartphone are recommended. But if you're just testing out the product, then you can also try to submit a 30-second recording using your webcam instead. Here are the examples video, and I'm going to play a little bit of them so that you will get the idea.
Hey guys, my name is Joshua, co-founder and CEO of Heygen. So today I'm going to talk about the differences between... Hey guys, my name is Joshua. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Heygen. So today I'm going to talk about the differences between instant avatar, studio...
As you can see, both of the video have clear lighting, good resolution, and also minimum hand gestures. He also keep looking at the camera and doesn't have a lot of positions moving. After you uploaded your 2-minute video, this website is also going to ask you to upload a consent video. I'm going to give you an example. So here I'm going to upload a video of someone that I seen on YouTube. I've trimmed her video to 2 minutes, and let's say that I wanted to create an AI avatar based on this person. I will not be able to do that because in order to create my own AI avatar, I will have to record a consent video where I need to show my face, and then Heygen is going to detect whether the face of the 2-minute video that I uploaded and also the face on the video of consent is actually my face. So again, in order to avoid anything unwanted, Heygen is prohibiting anyone to create an instant avatar by not using their own face. Alright, besides creating AI video, you can also create a photo avatar by uploading pictures of your own. And these are the examples of the photo avatar that you can create. For example, we have this Lisa AI. You can create a video with it, or you can just use it as your avatar. But for today, I'm going to teach you how you can create an AI video. As you can see, Heygen has a lot of video templates. You can choose around whether you want it for your advertisement or you would like to create a news-like video. For today, I'm going to choose the makeup selling video template.
Get your glow on with a lightweight, hydrating glowy makeup serum and glass skin primer that keeps oil in check for visibly smoother skin and long...
As you can see, each video template comes with their own AI avatar, background, even their own script. So here is the editing sections of your AI video. You can actually change the script to however you want it to be. And if you don't like the avatar that I already inputted into the template, you can just go ahead and select the avatar from the left side menu. As you can see here, I can just click whichever avatar that I want, and by clicking it, it's going to be automatically inserted into my templates. Once I choose the avatar, I can customize it even more by choosing the different face. Besides clicking on the faces that are already on the template sections, I can also upload my own face if I want. I can just go ahead and upload pictures of my own face. To change the face, you can just click on the AI avatar, and then there's going to be a pop-up menu, and you can just click on the face swap options. If you want to upload your own pictures, just make sure that the pictures is not a cartoon, it's not a side face, it's not overexposed. With lighting, you are not wearing face mask, or your pictures is not blurry. After you're satisfied with your AI, we can go ahead and move on to the script area. In order to create your script, you have an options to ask for the help of AI tools. As for here, I'm asking the AI to create a promotional script for a day cream. And as you can see, the AI have created a quite detailed script from my video, and we can choose to make it shorter, longer. Basically, we can ask the AI to change it if we don't like the result. But today I'm just going to use it as it is, but maybe I'm going to make it a little bit shorter because I aim to create two types of video today. I want this one to be under 30-second or just 30-second max. So over here, I'm just going to delete some sentences and hoping that it's going to fit into the duration of the video that I wanted. After we're done with altering our script, we can also choose the voice of the AI.
Introducing our revolutionary day cream, a skincare powerhouse that will transform your daily routine. With a unique blend of collagen.
So that is how my AI is originally sounds like. I can choose to increase the speed, or I can play around with the pitch, or I can change the voice altogether. Once I'm satisfied with the script and also with the sound of my AI, I'm going to go ahead and finish the AI video creation by clicking on the submit button. And as you can see that the video that I produced are under 30 seconds, so it only counted as 0.5 credits, which means that I can create another video. While I'm waiting my video to be ready, I am now going to edit a new one with the same templates. In this second video, I'm going to use the exact same script with the exact same video templates, but what's different is I am going to translate the video. So the original video was made in English, and now let's see if we can translate it to French. After I change the video to another language, Heygen is going to automatically change the voice actor too. So as you can see over here, it changes from English speakers into French speakers. They also have a variety selections for different language. So after I'm choosing the speakers that I like, I'm going to go ahead and click submit. And that's how you create an AI video. I'm going to show you the result after this.
Introducing our revolutionary day cream, a skincare powerhouse that will transform your daily routine. With a unique blend of collagen, anti-aging serum and brightening serum, this cream is designed to give you youthful, radiant skin. The collagen in our day cream helps improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Say goodbye to sagging skin and hello to a more youthful complexion.
Présentation de notre crème de jour révolutionnaire, un concentré de soins de la peau qui transformera votre routine quotidienne. Avec un mélange unique de collagène, de sérum anti-âge et de sérum éclaircissant, cette crème est conçue pour vous offrir une peau jeune et radieuse. Le collagène contenu dans notre crème de jour contribue à améliorer l'élasticité de la peau et à réduire l'apparence des rides et ridules. Dites adieu au relâchement cutané et bonjour à un teint plus jeune.
And that's it for today. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.